So yes, a breaking news coming from the ministry side. Yes, on 8th of August, the income tax bill 2025 was withdrawn from the parliament by the BJP, commenting that on 11th of August we'll reintroduce the bill with all the necessary changes which are suggested by the select committee. And yes, bang on 11th of August, the bill was reintroduced, and within a few minutes, without any debate, the bill was passed. This came as a shocker, at least to me, because I was expecting that the bill will again go towards the round of debates, open to public comments, select committee comments, and it will take some time. But surprisingly, there was no time which was taken to pass the bill. Now, sir, how will it impact us? So yes, all the CMA students who have qualified in their recent attempt and who are going to appear in their campus interview, campus placement. Of course, if I am the interviewer, I will definitely ask questions from the revised income tax bill 2025. I know you have not read this income tax act in your syllabus. It was not there in your syllabus, in fact, but now it is your moral responsibility to read the entire bill. You have time till your campus placement, PPOP will be starting. You still have a lot of time. Please read the entire bill and analyze the key changes which are there in the bill. It can be referred to as a very good talking point during your interview. So all the students who have qualified CMA should read this bill immediately. Now talking about the students, sir, in what attempt will this bill be applicable to us? Guys, most likely in 2027, June attempt, this bill will be applicable to all of you. 2026 attempt, this bill will not be applicable. 2026 June and December, you will be having the Income Tax Act 1961. From June 2027 attempt, your new bill will be applicable to you. New act will be rather applicable to you, for the upcoming attempts. So yes, if you are buying your DT classes for CMA final or intermediate for June 2027 attempt, guys, do not buy them right now. Wait till 2026. Of course, you will yourself not buy it because amendments come in these classes a lot, so you will yourself not buy it. But again, a point of caution: do not buy classes for June 2027 for direct taxation till say mid of June 2026 or late June 2026. So yes, do not buy classes right now because this will be applicable, most likely this will be applicable from June 2027 attempt of examination for CMA intermediate and final. And yes, still nonetheless, those students who are appearing for the examination in June 26, December 26, December 25 must know the key highlights about the income tax bill, the new income tax bill which has come in, just for your knowledge, not from an exam standpoint, but just for your knowledge. So yes, you must also go through the newspaper, the clippings, the brief snippets which are there in these newspapers, which can enumerate what kind of changes are suggested in the new bill. You must be aware about it, but not from an exam standpoint, guys. Purely on the basis of, for the sake of your knowledge, general knowledge. Students who have qualified CMA intermediate and those who are going to appear for interviews for their articleship, again, high chances that, or you will increase your chance of recruitment if you are aware about bill 2025. It will be an added advantage. It will be a feather in your cap. So please have broad knowledge about this bill, at least for the students who are in their intermediate, and those who are qualified, they should have a detailed knowledge about this particular bill. That is what at least I would suggest you, for your CMA campus placement. So yes, that was an update, and whatever update is going to be coming in the near future, I'll be sharing them with you. Plus, I'll be starting few videos on the major changes which have come by in the bill. I'll be discussing those changes with all of you, just for your knowledge, okay? Not applicable in 26, not applicable in 25. Just for your knowledge, I'll be sharing brief, summary of what are the changes which are suggested in the revised bill which has been adopted, because now the bill is actually a reality. Yes, it is much more concise. It is almost half the size of Income Tax Act 1961. So whatever changes are there, I'll be summarizing them and I'll be sharing them with you in form of small videos which I'll be releasing very soon. Yes, that's all for this particular news. On that positive note, all the very best and happy studying.